Welcome to DataStatPro. In this video, I will explain a very unique feature of DataStatPro AI Analysis Studio. First thing first, directly open DataStatPro website or search DataStatPro on Google to access the app. Click on very first link appearing in Google search will take you to the DataStatPro website. Click on Open App button or log on to DataStatPro by clicking on Login/Sign Up button. Log in by providing your registered credentials. Access the AI Analysis Studio from the sidebar of the app. You can import data to utilize this feature in a variety of available formats, such as Excel, CSV, Google Sheets. You can see the list of dataset already loaded in DataStatPro. For this demonstration, I am going to use famous low birth weight case study. AI Analysis Studio require few basic inputs regarding your study to generate analysis plan. More precise information you provide, more accurate recommendation you will get. I have already saved all study input in a Word file. Now I will copy-paste this information to AI Analysis Studio input form, like study title, study background, study objectives, and methodology. Now I one by one copy-paste the information to relevant input fields. Study title and study objectives are must-required fields. Every study objective should be on a separate line. Ideally 4 to 5 study objectives will be good to make a precise analysis plan. Providing study background and methodology is optional. However, as I mentioned earlier, more you feed, more precise analysis plan you will get. After providing all the necessary information, you are good to go. You can adjust few settings by clicking on Settings gear icon. In most of the cases, default settings are fine. Click on Generate Layout and wait for some time. AI Analysis Studio has successfully generated an analysis plan divided into different chunks. You can browse through the various components of the plans. To view the complete plan, you can click on the View button in the sticky toolbar. This will provide you the preview of a very nicely written analysis plan for your study. Like how many tables and figures are required, what should be titles and contents of tables and figures. What analysis can be utilized to accomplish these tables and figures. Top of that, you can export this analysis plan in a variety of formats: Markdown, PDF, JSON, and MS Word. DataStatPro AI Analysis Studio is not limited to generate the plan. You can ask AI Assistant to generate Python code to perform these analysis. You can click on Generate Python to generate Python code. This process may take some time depending upon the complexity and amount of code lines. Once the code is generated, you can run code directly in the browser or copy it to execute in your local Python environment. Here we go. Comprehensive Python code is generated. You can browse the code. It is very comprehensive and well structured. You can hide the code by clicking on Hide Code button to save the screen space, which make the Run Python button visible. Click on Run Python. This will show the results in the output panel right next to code block. Here, you can observe that the numerical results are in a very raw format. Click on Format Publication Markdown button to format the results in publication-ready format. You can preview the formatted results and download the formatted results in MS Word and Markdown formats. Exported results are well formatted and provide all contextual interpretation of the results. Let's run another suggested chunk. Association between maternal risk factors and low birth weight. Click on Generate Python to generate Python code. It may take some time. Wait for code and hit on Run Python button. It has successfully performed logistic regression. Click on Format Publication Markdown button to format the results in publication-style results. Click on Download Word button to export detailed report on analysis in MS Word format. You can see the results contains odd ratios and p-values of predictors along with contextual interpretations. Click on Subscribe for more informative videos. Bye for now. See you in another informative video of DataStatPro.